second T10 match of the Malaysia CS vs NS. Before knowing the stats of the every player, and I will please subscribe my Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will get my channel. So please subscribe my channel so that I will give you the free teams and I will give you the stats of the every player. And you can subscribe my channel also. So please subscribe my channel and I will inform you every player and all-rounders batting side, bowling side, who will open the bowling and who is the important players, captain and vice captain choice, everything I will inform you. So please listen carefully in this video so that you can get some info of the every player and try to play the grand leagues also. And please try and the pitch report is the boundaries are very short, so try to keep the batsmen only almost, because the batsmen can score huge runs also. And I will inform you the every player also. Please keep your mind very constant. M. Iman is an excellent player. He played 2 matches and he scored previous day 30 runs and he played 81 runs in today's match, and he will come to bat one down. He has become very important player, so I try to keep him as an important player. Exing Sikon is another player. 24 matches, 362 runs, middle order batsman. A. Juidi is the middle order batsman, 53 matches, 857 runs. If he is there in this match, you can go with him. W. Amirul, 46 matches, 567 runs, and he is the opener if he is there in this match. And coming to the batting side, A. Ardun is an opener batsman, very attacking player. He scored very well at yesterday's match, 53 runs in 25 balls. You can keep him as an important player. A. Jamuddin is a very important all-rounder. He will bowl 2 overs and he will bat. He will come to bat at one down or two down. He is a very important player. If you want to go with him, you can go with him. A. Faiz is, as I said, he is an all-rounder, but he is there in the batting side and he is a very important player. 59 matches, so 1096 runs and 8 wickets. He is also very attacking batsman. You can go with him. A. Jubadi is the opener batsman, but in this previous match he ran out, but he will open the innings. 48 matches, 665 runs and 4 wickets. He is part-time bowler. You can go with him. And Rahman is the 2 down or 3 down batsman. He will bowl also. If you want to go with him, you can go with him. A. Rashid Ahad is an excellent player and his stats are so very good, and I will give you the stats of the A. Rashid also, because he can bowl also. 27 matches, 235 runs, 15 wickets. He is a very important player. James sir, he will bowl 2 overs and his batting average is very low. So A. Shahidi is also another important player and his stats are 5 matches, 104 runs, very attacking player. If he is there in the match, please go with him. And coming to the bowling, all-rounder side, SIGG is the opener bowler, 2 balls, very important player. You can go with him as a captain or vice captain choice. A. Hafiz is a very important bowler, but why he didn't bowling that I don't know. But he is a very good all-rounder and he is very experienced player, and his stats are so 46 matches, 657 runs and 10 wickets. He is the opener, but I don't know. But he will open in this innings maybe. A. Ola is the very all-rounder. I didn't get his stats, but he will bowl 2 overs. If he is there in this match, you can go with him. MS Dress is an all-rounder, but he will play only batting only. 9 matches, 304 runs, very attacking batsman. You can go with him. Akan is the very good opener, but he didn't came to opening batting, but he will bowl 2 overs and the one hour will be in death over. He picked crucial 4 wickets in the previous match. You can go with him because he is an important player. Aspectry is another good all-rounder. 25 matches, 208 runs, 7 wickets. He is the middle order batsman. As Satish is also another good player. 28 matches, 451 runs, 20 wickets. He can also open the innings. So these are the important players of the all-rounder. Coming to bowler, P. Singh is another good bowler, and he has a very experience in bowling. So 60 matches, 62 wickets, very important player. Jad Fazal is another important bowler. 35 matches, 36 wickets. You can go with him. Chandan Kumar also is a good bowler, and his stats are 17 matches, 296 runs and 11 wickets. A. Rahman previous match he took 3 wickets and he is in very excellent form, and he is a very important player. 52 matches, 133 runs, 57 wickets. You can go with Jad Fazal and A. Rahman as in one combination. Please go with him because these are the important players. And another bowler, Akan. I didn't get this. I didn't. Ajib Khan he is an leg spinner, and he has opened the innings in the previous match. 24 matches to 28 matches, 18 runs, 17 wickets only. If you can go with him because he can bowl only 1 hour, because CS said has a lot of bowling combination. You can go with him. R. Ryder 13 matches, 11 wickets. So it's your choice only, because lot of combination, lot of bowling chances is there for CS side. And coming to the captain and vice captain choice, SSG you can go with him captain only. because he is important player. Khan also you can go with him captain or vice captain, it's your choice. And you can go with A Ardun because he very attacking batsman, you can go with him captain or vice captain. Faizi as a he will ball also, he will come to batting also, you can keep captain or vice captain choices. So this and M Iman also very attacking player. These are the five captain and vice captain choice. Coming to the bowling side, you can go with Jed Fazal, P Singh and A Rahman, R Ryder. These are the bowlers you can go with vice captain or captain choice, because try to keep the batting on all rounder sides only, because they will come to bat and ball also. Try to keep mostly SHG, A Khan, A Anirudh, A Faizi and M Iman. These are the important players you can keep captain and vice captain constantly, because these are the important players. Try to play the grand leagues only, don't play to head to head matches. These are the important players also. I inform everyone stats. Yeah, and play the different players fantasy apps like PlaySport and Ballebaji. If you like this video, please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. And my Telegram channel link will be in my description. Please subscribe my Telegram channel. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you.